Water has always been life, but what if it could be more? For centuries, we've taken water for granted. We've purified it, bottled it, sold it, but never understood its true potential. Now science and consciousness unite. Introducing King Hydrogen Water Distillery, the world's first programmable vapor distillation system that brings coherence, light, and life back to water. Hydrate with purpose. Reconnect your body's intelligence and experience water as nature intended, pure, living, and light-infused. This October 31, a new era begins, a revolution of hydration, of health, of consciousness. Step into the light. Join the water revolution.